Welcome to my channel. I'm Easy, your friendly professional makeup artist. And for today's video, there are no tutorials, but I would like to say thank you so much, guys. Thank you for the 500 subscribers. Thank you for believing in me, and thank you. And I believe that you learned something from me, guys, kung bakit kayo nasa-subscribe. And thank you. You inspire me to create more quality content, more quality tutorial na maibibigay ko sa aking mga subscribers. And if you want to see kung ano yung gagawin kong video today, then keep on watching. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit the bell notification for you to be updated on my new video posts. So let's begin. Okay guys, so first question ay kay Nick Castillo. Kunin ba ang pagiging professional makeup artist? Yes, kasi based on my experiences, gusto ko talaga to bago ako mag-work. I've worked in a corporate, pero nag-resign ako because I really want to follow my passion. I really want to do makeup artistry. And sa ganitong industry, kailangan, pag nag-uumpisa ka, mag-i-invest ka talaga. Hindi biro yung mag-i-invest ka ng malaking pera, no? To build your kits and tools. Tapos, hindi lang yon, mag-aaral ka pa, additional learning. I'm not saying makeup school, no? Yung mga additional training, certificates. And of course, kung may budget ka na ako, like me, na nakapag-ipon, nag-go ako sa makeup school. So, hindi biro. And calling siya kasi, paano kung may season sa buhay kasi na isang makeup artist na walang racket for ilang months. So, dapat, in and out of season ng career mo, hindi ka na-burn out. You are still pushing and thriving. So, yes, calling talaga ang pag-makeup artist. Hindi ilang ito marunong ka magkilay or mag-eyeshadow, pero lahat na, patience, endurance, creativity, kailangan you never stop learning. So, calling talaga siya. John Luis Makiling. Sabi dito, what's your best and worst experience as a makeup artist? Best experience as a working makeup artist, ito yung nakakapag-travel ka for free, sagot ng client mo yung transpo, food, and accommodation. Yan, yung best experience yan. Best experience din kapag generous ang client mo, talagang naiintindihan ng gawa mo yan. That's the best experience. Ano pa, yung for me, best experience is na kapag work ka from time to time with celebrities or with models or with brands, yung mga kilalang brands sa clothing line, yung ganon, yung mga best experiences natin na nakapag-work ka sa medyo kilala, sikat, or models. Kasi, ano yun additional portfolio. Worst experience, yung kabaligtaran nun, kapag naka-experience ka ng, minsan may mga kliyente kasi na, paano ba? No offense, pero yung term na, yung thinking nila kasi nagbayad sila. So, they are going to demand everything from you. Yung parang, sila yung nagmamay-ari sa'yo. Yung parang when they treat you as alalay, ganon. May ganong worst scenario. Hannah Bordon, Tunog Banwa, what's your advice to all aspiring makeup artists? Okay, so to all aspiring makeup artists, keep on practicing. Research. Do not just rely on your own ability or strength. Yes, kung may magaling ka na magkilay, magaling ka na mag-makeup, pero kailangan mo pa rin mag-aral at mag-research. Kailangan mong dumalo sa mga workshops, mag-invest ka sa workshops. Sabi nga, never stop learning. Unending, walang end ang pag-aaral. Kahit anong field yan, forever mag-aaral ka. And sa mga beginner makeup artist, alam ko yung karamihan, walang budget para mag-aral sa makeup school. Kaya nga, open sa YouTube, pero make sure na yung papanoorin nyo is a professional makeup artist. Magkaiba kasi yung professional makeup artist sa beauty influencer and vlogger. So, if I were you, hanap kayo sa mga YouTube, panoorin niyo yung YouTube ko. So, doon makikita niyo yung mga professional. Kasi, guys, sa mga beginner makeup artists, yes, makeup has no rules, but makeup has a theory. May theory and science behind that. So, kailangan nyo nang aralin nyo. Kung may budget kayo mag-aral sa makeup school, go ahead. Better. Kung wala, so, aral, self-taught, research. Though it will take you a longer path, pero at least, you make already a step na nag-explore kayo, nag-aaral kayo. Next question kay Crystal Pearl Caronan Clemente. Anong shape ng face ang mas madaling ayusan? At sino ang mas mahirap make-upan? Okay. Actually, magandang question, ano yung shape ng face ang mas madaling ayusan? Sa pag-aaral namin kasi, share ko lang po, sabi sa studies namin sa theory, ang ideal face shape daw is oval. Oval kasi ang perfect niya, walang kanto, konting definition lang, mafo-form na yung magandang shape. Oval shape daw yung yung best example. Pero hindi ako naniniwala doon kasi lahat naman tayo ay nilikha ng maganda. No? So, ideally yon, it was set standard. Pero sa akin, all face shapes are beautiful. Kailangan lang yan ng strategic na paano mag-contour and highlight para lang males yung sobrang makanto na face or bigyan ng shape yung bilugan na face. So, kung technically pag-uusapan, ano yung mas madaling ayusan na face shape, oval. Pero sa akin, any face shape will do. Basta alam mo kung paano mag-contour and highlight strategically. At ano ang mas mahirap, at sino ang mas mahirap make-upan? Okay, this is a good question. Ano yung mahirap make-upan? Well, ayokong sabihin mahirap, pero eto masasabi ko, ang isang professional makeup artist, dito mag-shine out yung skills and ability mo kapag ang mini-makeupan mo is matured, kapag ang mini-makeupan mo is merong mga malalaking birthmarks or may tattoo, or mga may mga tawag dito, merong mga texture yung skin. Okay? Yun yung mga challenging. Yun yung mga clients or face na maglalabas talaga yung ability ng isang professional makeup artist. Kasi yung mga young skin, madali lang ayusan yan kasi smooth, lifted, walang ganong i-correct. Pero pagdating sa matured, pagdating sa mga may blemishes, may mga birthmarks, dito lalabas yung skills and ability ng isang professional makeup artist. Okay, Just Love Vlogs. Ano pong pwedeng foundation kapag po dry po ang face? So, eto ang sagot ko sa iyo dyan, Jazz. Before the foundation, you have to go first with the skincare. Ako kasi, ito yung laging sinasabi ko, no? Skincare first. Para mas maganda yung application ng foundation or yung product na gagamitin mo, kailangan you start with the skincare. For the dry skin, mas maganda na binababad mo, sinusoak mo ang face mo with a cream moisturizer. So, kapag dry ang skin ng isang tao, banat yan. May feeling kang stretchy and there are times na flaky and you have this fine wrinkles kasi kulang ka ng moisture. So, kailangan ang daytime routine mo and nighttime routine mo, lahat ng gagamitin mong products nagbibigay hydration sa skin. Also, drink a lot of water. Totoo yan. It helps. It helps to give moisture sa skin natin of drinking a lot of water. Then, for the foundation product, I would be suggesting to you na yung mga may oil-based na foundation, liquid foundation na may gel-based or water-based, or kung gusto mo ng branded, MAC Face and Body. Yan, that's good for dry skin. Pwede rin, no, gagamit kayo ng liquid foundation pero hindi matte or semi-matte. Yun yung mga magagandang foundation product para sa dry skin. Rachel May Nigasca or ang YouTube channel is Travelista Sisters. Anong klaseng makeup para ma-achieve ang natural glass skin? Okay, alam mo, Rachel, ang sagot dito, you don't need a lot of makeup products when doing a glass skin. Glass skin was invented or was trend by Korea. And if you're going to observe Korea or Korean girls, they do 7-step, more than 7-step skincare. Kaya pa nag-apply sila ng makeup, that's less amount of makeup lang, less foundation, little concealer lang ang ginagawa nila. Kasi the more na ang skin natin was nasisip in or nasusok ng layers of moisturizer and skincare brands, the more na magiging supple and automatically mag-give yan ng dewiness. And also, for a glass skin effect, great tip is yung liquid foundation mo or your BB cream, lagyan mo ng moisturizer. And another tip, actually ginawa ko yan sa how to create a no makeup look. I will be sending the link below. So yung highlighter na powder, hinaluan ko ng konting moisturizer and nilagay ko dito sa highest points of face ng aking model. So again, creating a glass skin, you have to use less product, less foundation, more on BB cream, more on CC cream, more on liquid highlighting, and mas marami ang skincare. So it's a matter of technique, paano gawin yung glass skin. This Kimberly Esteban, what is the best way to remove makeup? So Kimberly, ang magandang makeup removal kasi ngayon is yung mga oil-based cleanser. Si Bior meron yan. Okay? Pero if you think na masyadong ma-oily sa'yo yung mga ganong cleanser, meron yung kay Garnier, no? Yung micellar water na may oil. Pwede yan, no? So, yun yung mga masasuggest ko kasi yun yung ginagamit ko and yun yung proven para sa akin. Oil-based cleanser and yung micellar water. And of course, pag nag-remove kayo ng makeup guys, ang proper region is number 1, use the oil cleanser or the micellar water. Tanggalin yung maigi, linisin yung maigi. Then next, wash your face. Then, apply kayo ng makeup remover ulit. And then, toner. Yan. Yun yung magandang step. As in, nalilinis maigi yung pores natin. Okay, next question is from Gideon po. What is the best makeup para mas natural sa output ng picture? So, we as professional makeup artists, meron kaming tinatawag na no makeup look or nude makeup. Ginagamit ito sa mga skincare shoots. Kung may mga nakikita kayo ng mga kunyari nagbebenta ng skincare brands, yung mga walang makeup, yun yung magandang picture, yun yung magandang look na ginagawa namin. So, walang trace ng blush, pero meron. May contour pero hindi halata. Basta anything na may contour, cream, highlight, hindi halata. Even yung brows, hindi pwede yung ganitong frame na frame. Kailangan feathery lang and natural. Even the lashes, all natural. No makeup look ang best approach para sa natural photography or natural makeup para sa photography. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you sa mga nag-send ng Q&A. And again, thank you guys to my 500 subscribers. Na-reach ko ito last week, Friday. And hindi po ako makapaniwala na maraming tao ang nagtiwala, maraming tao ang nanonood sa akin. And I believe na they are learning from me. Kaya po, thank you so much for watching and for supporting my videos. And please continue to share my channel sa mga gustong matutong mag-makeup and to apply their makeup in a professional level. So, before I end this video, I would like to say big thank you to YouTubers of the Philippines, my family. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for pushing me to create more contents. Thank you for believing in what I do and for helping me to be more inspired sa ginagawa ko. Vloggers Philippines, thank you for also giving your members a education or tips para lalo pang mapabuti yung pag-vlog namin and to create also a good content. Thank you guys again to all my 500 subscribers. Hindi po mabubuo ang 500 kung wala yung isang taong nanood ngayon. And kung sino ka man, kasi naman yung unang nanood sa akin, maraming salamat sa'yo. And thank you so much. And guys, don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. Please don't forget to like this video, share this, and hit the bell notification for you to be updated on my new videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. God bless us all. Till my next video.
Road to 1,000. Bye!